If you were to go on the street and ask someone who their favorite Mahabharata character is, I guarantee you they're gonna say Arjuna or Karna. But when I asked you this question a while back, you said it's Bhima, and I was so surprised and I wanted to know why.
So the first thing is that Bhima did not need the Gita. At the time for war came and you have to fight the war, he did not become a psychological mess. He was aligned with the divine will of Krishna and he knew what needs to be done.
The whole point of Mahabharata or the Bhagavad Gita itself is to show you what kind of moral dilemmas a person faces, a normal, regular human being like Arjuna, who represents just all of us, what they face. And then Krishna, his charioteer, is explaining to him and revealing truths. But as a good foil to Arjuna is Bhima, that he is someone who is already aligned. He knows what the right thing to do is. But there's not much of a story if you don't have a character like Arjuna, so that's why he needs to exist.
Yeah, that's a good point. The other thing is that Bhima literally won the war for the Pandavas. He killed 99 out of the 100 Kauravas. He killed Duryodhana, he killed Dushasana. So he is like the giver of justice. Justice and restitution was brought by Bhima. And then his physical strength, it's very appealing to me. He's physically and mentally strong. So in the darkest moments, in the most tiring, exhausting moments, all the Pandava brothers and the mother Kunti were walking through the dark forest. After walking, they got tired and they all fell. It's then Bhima who picked up his mother, put her on his shoulders. Nakula, Sahadeva carried them on the hips. Then Yudhishthira and Arjuna, he carried them as well. All of them he carried and walked, brought them to safety. So they could sleep because he's there to protect them. That's another reason why I put Bhima on that pedestal. He's very authentic and human at the same time. Apart from the strength, he expresses his grief, his anger, everything is there. That also makes him very lovable. He is a force of nature. He is a prana. He is Vayu himself. And that comes out in his character. Strong, protector, then he knows the right thing to do.